Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Madrika Indra Ahmad Ramadana from TKA 4C. Previously, I will open Proteus and on the hardware use namely the power on and switch LED power on LM35 temperature sensor motor and DC temperature indicator LED relay transistor resistor DC voltage source of one motor and serial monitor. After that assembly to go to coding the Arduino IDEA to create a program according to the application condition. Then in coding here define which I use it to independently input and output on the Arduino. Switch and to pin to on Arduino temperature 1 at the 2 pin A0 of on Arduino. Temperature 2 is at the 2 pin A1 on the Arduino. At 1 at the 2 pin on the Arduino. Let 2 in the 2 pin 2 on the Arduino. Let 3 at the 2 pin the Arduino motor 1 at 2.3 on the Arduino motor 2 at the 2 pin on the Arduino. The next void setup I use to identify inputs and output with input namely with temperature 1, temperature 2 and output name LED 1, LED 3, LED 3, LED motor 1, motor 2 and serial begins. With I use it determine the speed and reception of data through the serial port. The next void loop I use it to run and comment the program. It's repeat and runs continuously as long the program runs according the following commands. The verify the and copy in X. We open protest and enter the copy of the Interhex Arduino. No. We simulate the circuit first we turn on the on switch. So that circuit connects second with the temperature according to the discrete condition here in the average temperature condition below. Well, then the cold temperature indicator will turn on. We simulated the circuit. First, we turn off on the on scalar so that the circuit can connection. Second, we set the temperature according to the desired condition. Second, with the temperature according to desired condition. Here in the average temperature condition below the 20, the cold temperature indicator will and motors will turn off the average temperature between with and in the normal temperature. Indicator will turn on motor will turn on. Then in average temperature condition above the hot temperature indicator will turn on, our motor will turn on. This the expansion of the microcontroller mid-range exam circuit. Sekian dari saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.